Hi, I'm Dr. Harikrishna. I am from Hyderabad. I work as a principal for an engineering college. She's my wife, Janvi, and she's my son. He's my son, Jaydeep. For my new apartment, I have searched for a couple of interior guys, designer guys. Finally, zeroed on Livspace. I'm totally happy with their work, their timely completion of the project. Their cooperation in every aspect, like customization of the work, especially the living space and dining space where we spend most of the time. I wanted it to be customized as per my requirement, and they did that with utmost care.
Hi, this is Shreya. I'm a designer here in Livspace. Starting from the drawing and living area, so there are two separate spaces for living and drawing, but they didn't want to separate it, so they want to continue the design throughout the area without dividing it. I came up with the minimal color patterns. For kitchen, actually there was a very little space in the kitchen, so the builder has provided the puja space inside the kitchen only. But according to their requirement, I have shifted the puja space in the dining and increased the area of the kitchen as per the requirement. So for master bedroom, they wanted a lot more space for the walking. So that's why I came up with the sliding wardrobe idea with a little study unit just beside that. And there was a separate dressing space. And for kids' bedroom, I've used most of the colors in wardrobe only, just to give a look to that room.
My balcony, the view that I get when I go into the balcony, it's mind-blowing because I get the total skyscrapers, the financial district of Hyderabad as the view. Also, at the final completion stage of the project, my very minute things also were taken care of. I got end-to-end done, including carpets, curtains, fans, everything were done by them, furniture and decor, and they were designed in a very professional way according to my tastes and requirements. I'm very happy with the end product that I got, and I even recommended a lot of people in my community to go with Livspace instead of small vendors or any other vendors.